In your own way, what do you do to preserve the environment?
I have that sense of responsibility that I know how to take good care of the environment. I place the garbage, the waste product at the proper disposal area. And I see to it that I do plant trees. I see to it that I am an instrument for the care of the environment.
Next question. How do you feel when you see someone littering in the campus?
I feel bad about it. How I wish that these people should also have that sense of responsibility to take good care of their environment.
Next question. What will you advise to the people who doesn't take care of our environment?
I will tell them that the best thing to do is everything that they do, the bad things that they do, it will come back to them. It's just like karma. The things that you are doing, the bad things that you are doing, it will also be bad things that will be coming to them in the long way.
Next question. What will possibly happen if we don't take care of our environment?
These things are already happening. The floods, the landslide, the global warming, these are already the result of the destruction of our environment.
Next question. How will you influence others to take care of the environment?
With the things that are happening nowadays, people should be awakened that these things are happening. The floods, the global warming, and everything are happening just because they do not know how to take good care of their environment. The moment that they learn how to take good care of the environment, then perhaps there can be a solution for all these things.
What does the government do to preserve the environment?
I just do not know. I'm sorry, but I just do not know what measures the government are doing to take good care of the environment. Yung proper waste disposal na nga, the government cannot implement measures along this line. I just do not know what programs they have to implement.
How about the church?
The church, I know from time to time, they are trying to awaken the people that these bad things are happening just because people do not know how to be responsible to their environment.
And last question. What does the school do to preserve the environment?
The school is doing something, but it should not only be the teacher. There should be what we call everybody in the school should take part. Like the science department had started the campaign for the proper waste disposal. Remember in our classroom, we try to segregate the papers. There is what we call a place for the white paper and a place for the colored paper. So this can be the start, the proper what we call proper waste disposal.